And let's take a live look outside. This is our Valley News Live Storm Team Skycam network shot at Luther Family Ford. We do have okay visibility, mainly cloudy skies, and as you can see, a lot of snow on the ground. Let's take a look at our tower cam right now, and we are seeing some dense fog here at I-94 at University Avenue here in Fargo. And making our way down south to the Dakota Magic Casino, we do have mainly cloudy skies, a little bit of wind, and it is mainly dry in that area. A lot of snow falling down there. Let's take a look at the reported snowfall totals across the region. First off, the Devil's Lake Basin, the counties that border Canada, around 1 to 3 inches from this one. As you make your way from Devil's Lake into the Jamestown area and from the Grand Forks area up toward the Canadian border, Thief Falls and Bemidji up toward the Canadian border, 3 to 8 inches of snow. And the most snow fell in Lemoore and Dickey County from the Grand Forks area, points off toward the South Dakota border and into Lakes Country, 8 to 13 inches of snow from Friday night through this morning. These are the reported snowfall totals. And as the snow moves out, the cold air moved in. Winds from a northerly direction that were brisk through the afternoon pumped in a lot of cool air as temperatures fell through the teens. Right now into the single digits into the Southern Valley and Lakes Country out toward Valley City at 5 degrees, but into our western counties from Jamestown out toward Devil's Lake into the teens right now. Warmer air starting to work its way in out in that direction, but the Northern Valley and into northwestern Minnesota, single digits and some single digits below zero. Let's take a look at the wind speeds. And in most areas, the winds have gone calm, especially from the Southern Valley into portions of Lakes Country and into our western counties, flipping around to more of a southerly direction. Jamestown, Devil's Lake, and even to the Grand Forks area right now, wind speeds around 5 to 10 miles per hour from the south, giving us a little bit of a wind chill with most of us into the northern half of the viewing area and into the Southern Valley and Lakes Country. Wind chill values into the single digits and single digits below zero, so prepare for that. Now, the southerly wind along up as it goes over all the snow that fell today, giving us some low visibilities in some areas. You saw our tower cam in Fargo, but other parts of Fargo looking okay. That's the case for most of the region, with the exception of our far western counties. A lot of dense fog from Devil's Lake points off to the north, the Cooperstown area, Jamestown area. So be aware of that if you're traveling in these areas. You have a dense fog advisory in effect from Jamestown all the way north toward the Canadian border until 3 a.m. Let's take a look at the satellite loop. We have mostly clear skies with the exception of the fog in our western counties. And we do have high pressure starting to crest over us. The low exiting is giving us that northerly wind, but it is flipping around to more of a southerly direction in our western counties, giving us that fog too. Now, we're going to continue to have a southerly wind as we go through the overnight and through the day on Monday, as temperatures will rise from here on out, where they get that southerly wind all the way up into the upper 20s as we go through most of the day on Monday with variably cloudy skies. 28 degrees your high in Fargo. More sunshine possible in the morning, then more cloud cover later in the day. Winds mainly from a southerly direction, 10 to 30 miles per hour. And then as we go through tomorrow afternoon, the coolest air into Lakes Country and warmer near 30 as you make your way out toward Devil's Lake and Jamestown. And then making our way through the day on Tuesday, even warmer air, a stronger westerly wind with temperatures getting into the upper 20s and lower 30s. Let's take a look at that photo of the day. This one is called Big Cormorant Lake about to freeze. Thank you to Dee for this one, using the background of the 7-day forecast. And we are mainly dry through most of the week. Partly cloudy skies Monday and Tuesday as temperatures rise from the upper 20s to lower 30s Wednesday with mostly sunny skies and partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies Thursday into Friday. Friday is our cool day. Then Saturday, 35 as we warm up again. Still mainly dry, partly cloudy and windy. A chance of some snow showers again by next Sunday.
It's good to see that moisture moving out and really staying away.
Yeah, no more moisture at least until this time next week.
All right. Well, thank you, Justin. Still ahead tonight, tragedy in Minneapolis.